and invited British cars, but really good to see this car go around. Ideal conditions, and as I said, people are starting to get a little bit edgy about how this car will go. 19 and 40 have had a start line infringement, so Chris Gidney and Keith Ondaatje, so not going to play any part of Keith Ondaatje's race, which is a real shame. I'm a big fan of that, and this is the Brabham coming around Southern Loop, and we've got a very keen eye on this car during the high-tech Oils MG and invited British cars.
Bailey's also pulled into the pit lane as well, so that misfire issue might have unfortunately brought his race to an end, but we do anticipate this is the hot lap from Tim Slade. He's definitely on the pace. This is the fastest that we've seen the Brabham BT62 all weekend. 700 horsepower, bespoke track day. It is an absolute weapon. As Darren touched on earlier, it doesn't necessarily fit into any recognised set of regulations in Australia. So an awful lot of effort has gone into accommodating this car this weekend, and we are very thankful to everyone who's worked incredibly hard behind the scenes to make sure that this Brabham is here and circulating. And doesn't it sound amazing as it tips it into turn 10? Tim Slade, driver of the number 3 Cool Drive Racing Ford Mustang for Blanchard Racing in the Repco Supercars Championship at the helm, doing an absolutely beautiful job as he smashes it into turn 12 and roaring down the main straight. So we'll see what this lap time is as he comes across the start-finish line. It's 24 flat. It's a 1 minute 24.06. That is an unbelievable lap time there for Tim Slade in the Brabham, and Darren is currently madly looking through records. That's a lap record.
That is a lap record.
It's 24 flat.